Abby from 41more.com, and I wanted to give you a little tour of the Selling on Etsy Masterclass for teens. You can find this by going to 4onemore.teachable.com, and in my Teachable school, you'll find the masterclass. You can save 30% with the coupon code January30 for the rest of the month. So I wanted to let you know about that. But I've been selling on Etsy since 2012, and I've helped a lot of teenagers and adults start and grow their Etsy shop. So here is where you can learn a little bit about the background and what you're going to get in the course, but I'm going to show you inside as well so you can understand what your teenager would get if they wanted to take this course. And here I do explain, I go through all of it: market research, learning the ins and outs of the Etsy platform, about photography and professional sales copy, and how to use the Etsy search engine to get their stuff found, tags and titles and all this stuff. We talk about it all. You can read about some of the successful teens who have taken my course. And I'll give you some freebies here at the end as well. You can earn credit on your high school transcript. I show you how to do that as well. So let me show you inside the course. And actually, here, while I'm here on the sales page, you can get a free Etsy shop brainstorming sheet and a free Etsy quick start checklist, which will help your teen kind of figure out if Etsy is the right platform for them to sell on. So let me show you inside the course. So inside the masterclass, there are 6 modules that I've done. And then one of my students asked if she could add a module about craft fairs, because she's been really successful with selling via craft fairs along with her Etsy booth. And you can actually hear a really fun interview I did with her on my Homeschool with Moxie podcast. If you go to 41more.com/64, you can hear that interview with Anna, and she has some really great advice for your teenagers. So this is what we talk about. We get into the Etsy platform, and we do a lot with research and what to sell. And then I really help them with creating the listings. I know as a parent, you might be like, well, I think they could sell on Etsy, but I don't have the time to sit down and figure it out with them. Well, that's what this course will do. It'll take them through step by step, and you don't need to know a thing. We talk about selling and shipping, because I know shipping scares a lot of people. Business trip tips and tricks. And so I try to cover everything. The beautiful thing about this kind of platform is they can ask questions in the course and I can answer them. We also have a private Facebook group for teens and their parents if you want to ask questions in there. So let me show you a little bit more. So when you get into the course, there's also a 72-page workbook, which will walk your teens through. I wanted to give you an idea of what the workbook's like, because it does walk them through step-by-step putting things into practice. So here's a lesson on pricing research, and they're going to be researching, what they're finding online on the Etsy site already with items in their niche. And then I help them figure out how they should price their own items. So it's very practical. I walk them through, and everything is very much step by step. Your teens definitely can count this for credit, and I explain that in this course, basically by spending 120 to 180 hours in a course. You can give them 1 credit on their transcript. And so definitely don't let all this hard work go to waste. Your entrepreneurial teen will stand out from their peers if you give them credit on their transcript. So I wanted to let you know about that workbook. And then the beauty of a course like this is, instead of it just being an ebook, which I do have an ebook about selling on Etsy, which you can find in my Teachable school as well, this course allows me to get into the nitty-gritty, go into the back end of my shop manager and show them around and say, click this, put this information in, and I'm able to walk them through much better by giving them videos throughout with a lot of help and tips. So I hope this gives you a little bit of an inside peek, and you can kind of see what's involved with this course. Remember, you can save 30% with the code January30. And definitely, if your kids are interested and you're just not quite sure though, definitely grab the freebies at the bottom of this page here. the Etsy brainstorming sheet, and the quick start checklist. And this will give you a little more information about what they can sell on Etsy. Definitely let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you check out the Selling on Etsy Masterclass for teens.